My largest crescent wrench is no match for this nut. This says 10 inch. So my next largest crescent wrench, 12 inch. Still no match. Now my biggest actual wrench would be 1 5/16. Still not big enough. So I did just want to turn the wrench to tighten that, but I guess we're resorting to other tactics. It's going to be kind of a, I wanted to use a wrench, but whatever. It's about to be tight. I got under there. It's real tight. So I'm back at the tool bench. Now let's please. Of course, it's 1.5 inches. It's not 36 millimeter. My brain says I need a 1/2 inch wrench. So I'm going to make one. It doesn't need to be that strong. So I'm going to use a couple brackets, weld those together, and then these old channel locks, we're going to cut a handle off. We're going to weld it right here. Make me a wrench in about 3 minutes. The 1.5 inch bolt meets the new 1.5 inch wrench. It needs a little cleaning up. I got a little bit of weld spatter. So we're going to doctor this wrench up and we're going to enjoy its use. Because look, it's lightweight. It's got a rubber handle. It already kept me from getting burned. And it's perfect. And obviously, I needed one. Moving on.